All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, my mic wasn't connected. Do apologize about that. Wishing you a happy Tuesday morning. We are live for another live trading session on YouTube. So welcome back to everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Brand new episode. So if you give me 1 second here, I just need to share that link somewhere. Bear with me. Give me 1 second here. Boom. Go. Oh, now I'm hearing myself. All right, so bear with me, guys. Just need to send this link very quickly. Right here. Yeah, bear with me, guys. We're gonna get started. Okay, we're good. So just gonna share that into some Discord here for NFT that we're gonna help them. All right, cool. All right, so let's get going. First thing first, as soon as you come in, guys, smash that like button, please. Very appreciate. Let me just check my Zoom chat here because my Zoom chat box is bugged, and I don't know why, just appearing on my other screen. So, guys on Zoom, if you have a question, take the mic or write into YouTube, okay? Because I'm not gonna be able to see it. All right, so like I was saying, welcome everyone. We are on for another live trading session. My name is Sasha. We are December 6th already. And we're gonna try to see if we can get money out of the market. Yesterday was amazing. Andres was with me on Zoom. I mean, hopefully you caught that gold move that we discussed just before the end of the Zoom session, because this thing fucking sink. It was like, honestly, I don't have to trade for the rest of the day, for the rest of the week. But let's see if we can have some nice opportunity out of the market. So yeah, so this stream can be also bilingual French. So I might be translating some stuff because we might have some question in French. So let me welcome those people. Donc bonjour et bienvenue à tous. Bienvenue à une autre session de trading en direct. Qui peut être bilingue. Donc, si vous avez des questions en français, ne vous gênez pas. All right, guys. So now, let's jump into it. Sorry, needed some water. All right, cool. Let's flip this chart here. Perfect. Let's get this let's get this thing going right here. There we go. All righty, boys and girls. Let's get started. Let's see if we have any comments, questions. No comments so far. Okay, you guys are quiet. You guys are quiet. You guys can say good morning, right? You know. Um, all right, cool. Let's go. Let's go check it out. And again, we are starting back the stream. Like now it's been like it was like I think 3 or 4 weeks in a row. I had to stop because I was not feeling right. And now it's the second week back. So again, I got a challenge with the algorithm. Obviously, you guys all know how it works. So if you can help, that'll be very appreciated. Meaning that smash the like button and share it to your friends. All right, cool. All right, so now let's see what we got here. Let's delete some stuff here. So this was for. Let's delete all this. All right, let's delete all this. Let's clean this chart. Everything, anyways, all those trades here that you see, all those win losses, they were all break down into Forex Talk over beer. All right, so I have another show on Friday night. So you want to make sure you tune in on Forex Talk over beer. This is where I break down all the trades I took during the week. So I don't need to keep that on my chart. So let's clean that chart. Let's clean that chart. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I see this. Perfect. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's start with the weekly here. All right, so let's start with the weekly. So now if you look at the weekly, actually let's start with the monthly because we're right at the beginning of the month. All right, so last month did close bearish here. Smaller body candle, but did close bearish. So far this month, we went up, we went down. Now we're just back to where we kind of opened the month. So what are we gonna do? We still didn't break previous low. We still didn't break previous high. So meaning that right now we don't have a lot of indication here on this time frame, except for the fact that it's mainly trending bullish, right? But yeah. So now let's go jump onto the weekly. On the weekly, let me just check for 1 second if I had some inserts here. Come check it out. I'll explain. Um, all right, cool, perfect. All right, so all right, let's go see some questions here. Hey, BDS Banks, Session Boy, how are you, bro? I'm doing good, man. I'm actually doing very good this morning. Slept super well. So I think I'm fired up. I'm fired up. I mean, if any of you didn't watch Forex Talk Over Beer last Friday, I don't know if you were on BDS Banks, but man, I was fired up on that show. I was just like, it was like, I think people will like it. There's a lot of gems hidden in there. All right, so now let's take a look at the weekly. All right, so if you look at the weekly chart right now, we are trending up mostly, right? We're trending up. Like if you look at the market here, I mean, boom, we form a new high, right? So we got a higher high, and we broke structure right here. So here we got a low, not a lower low, sorry, but a lower high. No, a high or low. I'm always fucked it up in French and English. Sorry, guys. And here we failed on creating a new high and went down. So now, right now, we're still trending up, right? But we kind of don't know where we're going into this weekly time frame. I'm expecting price to drop into this area here. And the reason is this is the weekly golden zone. All right. The weekly golden zone, what it is it's the fib area between the 50 and the 618. All right, so right there. All right, so you see between the 50 and the 618, this is where I'm expecting price to drop down right here to before pushing back up. Okay. So that will be that's what I'm expecting. But we don't trade what we expect, we trade what we see. Okay, so now what can we get out of it? Because right now the weekly doesn't give us much information either. So at that point, what am I gonna do? I think we should be super patient. I'm not looking to any swing as we speak with this kind of setup. Daily is kind of, you know, doesn't know where to go either. The daily was trending down here, right? So here, daily is trending down. Here, we failed on creating new highs. So we're still trending down at the moment here on the daily, okay? Meaning that there's a good chance we might, you know, and like I said, this is a weekly golden zone. It can take a couple weeks before we get down there. So that's why the daily is already switched bearish, okay? Um, so now let's take a look. Maybe we can grab some scalps, some intraday, but right now swing doesn't look good at all. So I'm just gonna focus here on those 4 hour time frame. All right, so now if we look at the 4 hour time frame, we are still trending down. All right, so if you can see here, we are trending down here, here. We had a push up here, but we broke that structure right here. All right, so we just flipped bullish. Sorry, guys. So now what are we gonna do? Are we gonna retest this, form support to continue up, or are we just gonna, create a new low here and continue like this, right? So that is the good question. It's still early in the session. We don't know what to do yet, but the good indication here is if you look at this bearish candle, it's a nice engulfing one. So and we rejected right on the dot this major QP. Okay, 167 is major QP, major quarter point that can be rejected often. So if you look in the past, look right on the dot. Look all those rejection right here at this level, right? Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Right. So I mean here, especially that we reject that with a nice engulfing candle, nice big wick at the top. I wouldn't be surprised. It's not a surprise to see this candle coming down, breaking the low, and continuing. All right. So now let's take a look on and we'll go check comments and question in just a second. So if you have any question or comments, shoot them, and I'm gonna go check them out in a few. Guys, welcome. This is a live Forex trading session. We're also going to take a quick look at crypto. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to smash that like button because I'm starting again that live stream. We stopped for a while, so the algorithm doesn't like us anymore. And we used to have like hundreds of people here, thousands of people live. But right now the algorithm doesn't like me anymore. So need your help, guys. So smash that like button. That'd be very appreciated. All right, so now let's keep going. All right, so let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Actually, let's establish our zone on the 4 hour time frame. So let's establish this zone right here. All right. We also gonna establish this zone right here. This is super valid. And yeah, okay. So let's leave it like that for now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. All right. So if you look at the 1 hour just broke structure. All right. So we were trending up here, right? Boom, 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 boom. 1 hour just broke that low right there. So and even this one right here. All right. So we push up, now we're gonna form resistance with a nice engulfing candle to continue down. This is actually perfect. Like, in all honesty, if I was looking at the market like at 6 a.m., I would probably be in that trade right there, and putting stuff like kind of above there and going for it. Depends. If I'm going for a scalp, I'm going probably for 1.5, like right around this, or 2 to 1, right around this area right there, and extending my runner to this area right there, right? So, but I was not looking at the market. So now let's see how we can enter this trade now. All right, so there's going to be two options here. All right, so this zone is super valid, right? This zone is super valid. So I'm going to be looking for something to break under here, retest, form resistance to continue down. All right. That's gonna be something I'm gonna be waiting for. Again, guys, smash that like button. Now let's let's go see some question comments. And then, hey, what's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Coffee time? Yeah, I'm on water, bro. I'm on water. I'm on water. Um, let's see here. Is it okay to have a 1 2 hour still close? Are still closed lots if price actions is going? Oh, to close it? Oh yeah, yeah. If you see price action going against you, yeah, there's nothing wrong closing in profit, guy. There's never it's never wrong to close in profit. It's just like it's secure. Saying, man, the name of the game is securing profits. So I mean, and as you go, you're gonna gain confidence, and you're gonna let those trade runs. Because what if, not what if, but I mean, what is market going against you? You need to understand that it's not just like a wick that comes back against you. It's just like, is market structure broken or not? Right? If it's not, I mean, these days I kind of let it run. Like the gold trade is the perfect example yesterday. Okay, we're gonna talk about it. The gold trade from yesterday was the perfect example. Okay, because it came back to my entry, but I let it run. Okay, and I'll explain why. Okay, um, here, what pair, sir? Oh, bud, you got to check the screen right here. Maybe it's the first time you're seeing a trading view chart, so let me help you. Right, whoops, right here on the top left corner, there's always the pair right there. Okay, and those are the time frame we're looking at. The one highlighted in blue is the one that we are on. All right, so now let's take a look at GU. All right, so let's take a look at GU. This is something I was waiting yesterday. Let's see here. Let me just check something here. Ziga, hey Sasha, Jeff here. Hey, what's up, Jeff? Man, love your Lego PFP there. That's pretty cool. Nice hoodie. Yeah, this one is the Soul Dog City wearable that I'm working on for a lot of NFT project. The quality of the print is second to none. This is just not like we take the image of the NFT, we print it. We actually reproduce it like color match perfectly. This one has a little mistake because we're still running test because this one has too much red, and the reason why is because we didn't merge the layer. But still, the quality of the print is just like I mean, the details you can never have that with a regular screen print, like never whatsoever. So yeah, I'm working with this for some NFT project. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Like here is the version on the white. Where is it? Just gonna show it to you guys. That was the first test we ran. Bam, look at this fucking quality, guys. Yeah, so anyways, so, and then what is your ROY? I'm looking, depends. If I'm scalping, I'm looking for a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2. If I'm swing, I'm looking to anything between 1 to 3 to 1 to 5. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, so now let's take a look at GU. All right, so let's take a look at GU. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. That will be really help. Because like I said, I'm starting again this live stream. We used to have like hundreds of people, thousands of people here. But I took a break, and the algorithm, how it works on YouTube, is when you take a break, they stop liking you. So, all right, so let's take a look at the weekly here. All right, so if you look at the GU, GU weekly right now just broke structure. All right, so now if you look here, we were trending down, and now we just closed above this, so we broke structure. So now what I want is price to retest this level to continue up. Oh, jeez, what's up with this arrow? All right, so now let's go take a look on the lower time frame. Here we got the daily. All right, so daily is trending up already, right? So daily is trending up. That's great. We got a bearish candle, so we can use our fib. Here we got the golden zone right there. So we're gonna establish our daily golden zone right there. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna be looking for two things. All right, so there's gonna be two areas I'm gonna be looking for entries. It's gonna be in this area or at that area. Okay, it's one of the other. This one's gonna be perfect. You know why? This one's even better, and I'll tell you why. It's because not delete this right here, because it also gonna be. Let me put this blue. This is also gonna be a retest of previous resistance that got broken. So price went up, form a higher high. Price will come down, retest previous area of structure, which is also the golden zone, to continue up. That would be perfect. That would be perfect. Um, So definitely gonna keep an eye on this. I'm gonna place an alert here. And definitely gonna keep an eye. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is kind of rangy-ish right now. It just broke here. We got a double bottom. Huh. All right. So look like we got a double bottom here. All right. So here, here, here. Boom. So now if I want to go to the upside based on the 4 hour time frame, I can look for a retest of the neckline right here, form support to continue up. Right. So yeah, definitely. This things start to look pretty decent, but not ready yet. So we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait, baby. I'm gonna place another alert right here. All right, so all right, so GU is slowly setting up. So let's go see question and comments. Let's see. Um, what's your monthly ROI? Sorry, I misread it. I'm always aiming for around like between 10 to 15, but my main target is 10%. But in all honesty, I end up with always a little bit more because I like to risk a little bit more. Yeah. Um, Hello, Ora, Sasha, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour, Joe. What's up? How you doing, buddy? Josh, yo, hope all is good, bro. Been a while since I caught you live. Yeah, we're back. We're back at it since a couple weeks. But I took a couple months off, so that's why probably the algorithm didn't push it to your direction. I don't know. Make sure you guys activate notification. I'm back. So Friday night we got Forex Talk Over Beer. By the way, guys, if you didn't watch last week Forex Talk Over Beer, it was good. It was real good. And the one before, I think, was the one with we had tons of questions. So it made an amazing show also. Can I show my experiment open position gold short? Yeah, totally. Send your chart. Yeah, just send your chart. When you want to send your chart, really simple. You need to go click the camera right here. All right. So you're gonna say copy link to chart image. And what you're gonna do is when you're gonna paste it, let me open another chart here. So when you're gonna paste it, don't put the full link into YouTube because it's not gonna allow you doing it. You need to just take this part, the backslash X to the other backslash. Okay, so very important. So that's how you share your chart on YouTube. All right, so now let's go back at it. Let's go see gold. All right, cool. Like yesterday I did just yesterday I did I think I did close to 7%, 6 point something. That's why I said I don't even need to trade this week for the rest of the week because I went a little heavy on that trade because I've been seeing this setup a lot on gold, and for me, it just made sense. First thing first on gold, we look at different possible setup, and one of the first, not the first, but one of the my favorite setup on gold these days is the H4 dogtail setup, meaning I wait for the 9 a.m. Candle to open, Sorry. So I wait for this candle to open. I wait for the wick up, meaning the tail of that dog. And when the dogs start running and past the previous low, this is where I enter, put my stop a little bit above. This one I use like a fixed stop loss because I wanted to enter a bigger position. So instead of putting my stop above the wick, I kind of placed it like, it was like what, 18 pips, 18 pips stop loss on that one. And that's it was supposed to be a quick scalp, couple pips, and ending up like it was crazy. It's just like it just melt. That the runner that I had just made like it went crazy. So I closed 80% of my position around, where was it? I got it in my story on Instagram, but can't remember exactly. But whatever. It was I think around like 25 pips each position because I had three position running. So I closed at 80% around there. And the 20% that ran, holy fuck, it ran like crazy. And fun fact, this is something I want to mention. If you look on the lower time frame, you'll see it. Okay, so you see here, right? Um, this is when you have to trust the analysis and trust your setup you've been trading for a while. Look, in this play, gold went down. And usually when gold goes to, let's say, 1 to 1, I move my stop at break even. This time, not this time, but a couple of times now, I kind of let the trade run. I accept the risk. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Okay. But if I win big, right? So that's all good. But that's what I decided. Sometimes when I'm not that confident into the setup, I'll move my stop at break even because I don't trust it so much. But this kind of setup been working amazingly for me. So that's why I decided just not to move my stop and let it go. Because look at this wick. Wick me. It would have wicked me right out at break even and bam, melt. Totally. Right. So this one, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I placed partial TP on 20, 25 or 27 pips each position and secure 80% and then let it run. It went crazy. It went crazy, crazy, crazy. Um, man, almost I should have left one of the three position open at least. It would be crazy, Luke. Like full. Holy shit! This would have been like a 13 to 1. Like that's 183 pips. Crazy, crazy. Oh no, that's a stop. Sorry. That's gonna be. Why I don't see the amount of pips on this? Am I crazy? Oh, 136. Yes. Okay, perfect. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so now let's see what we got. Do we have, and we're gonna break down today. I just want to share that because some people ask me about it. Josh, yo, oh, all is good, bro. Been a while. Oh yeah, sorry, I answered that. Yeah, okay. Gold chart. Gold yesterday was phenomenal, crazy. Yeah. This is gold. All right, so let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a look at it. The fuck? There we go. Perfect. And I'm gonna paste this. Here we go. Perfect. Magic. All right, so this is Joe's chart. But yo, there's no analysis, bro. Like, what you want me to do with this? All right, so when you send a chart, guys, you need to write some stuff. You need to have arrows. You need to write bubble. You say, okay, all right, cool, perfect. Here, waiting for price to reject this area. Okay, perfect. And you point exactly where you want. And after that, this is point number 1. All right. After that, this is how you break out the chart. All right. After that, point number 2, looking for engulfing candle after support. So I need what you're looking for. I need why you took the trade. Because without any information, I can not only look at entry and kind of guess, oh, I think it took this entry because of that. So I'm here to try to help you guys, but try to help yourself first, So you need to mark down your chart, guys. You need to mark down your chart, um, before sending it. So Joe, go mark your chart, write why you took it, what are you looking at, what's the confirmation confluence, or maybe you just roll the dice and you said, all right, I'm taking this entry there because I just feel like it, and that's okay too. You can if you want, but I don't think it's gonna be very lucrative on the long run. But anyways, all right. So now let's go see the weekly time frame here. Um, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's go, baby. All right, cool. All right, so looking at weekly here, we got this double bottom here. Look like we're pushing back up, but we reject this resistance right here on the T. So it looks like we're coming down for that retracement. Look at the daily. Daily at the moment is still trending up. All right, so let's see. Let's see. We are right in the daily golden zone at the moment. So we're right inside that daily golden zone. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is pushing 2 hours, 1 hour right here. All right, so now the big question is, are we going to break this area to continue up, or are we going to form resistance there to continue down, right? So here, I would not take any trade around this area because it's tricky. It's really, really tricky. Like, even taking an entry here is like, for me, I don't know. I don't have any confirmation for price to continue up or going down. So right now, gold is in a tricky area. I would personally stay away. I'm not saying do not trade. I'm just saying me. I'm gonna wait to see, are we gonna reject this area or are we gonna go through it? So yeah. So that's my thought. Because it's gonna be one of the two things. It's gonna be either this retest, to continue up, the fuck, or price will come up here, reject this area, form resistance to continue down. So it's gonna be one of those two situations here. But right now I'm right at that situation. So we don't have any confirmation of where are we going. But that's just me. I'm still waiting on Joe's chart to see his view on it. All right, so this is GU. We talked about GU. Let's go to Euro GPY. Was kind of getting close to be ready for swing. Let's see here what we got. Weekly, we're right inside that golden zone. Very nicely. Let me remove this arrow. Actually, daily yesterday closed bullish engulfing. That's pretty nice. But right now, daily is trending down. So I need to break the structure on the daily time frame, right? So I need price to broke and close above this area on the daily time frame to have a confirmation we're continuing up here. Because right now we're still respecting the daily structure. Weekly was still bullish, so daily is bearish. 4-hour is bullish at the moment. We broke that. I would consider that as an elbow though. So yeah, I would consider that as a one move in all honesty. So yeah, I don't think we didn't broke structure. Yeah. But we're clearly, are we at the safety net or we broke the safety net? Oh, we rejected the safety net right on the dot. All right, so the 764 is my safety net. So it looked like we're still trending down here, which is also a pretty nice area. Yeah. Yeah. That's interesting. Interesting. Why is that weekly golden zone there? Hold on, wait a second. Oh yeah, okay. Got it, got it. So yeah, that's a tricky area here for EJ. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. All right, so if 1 hour flip that, oh yeah, okay. I got something. So right now, I mean, the 1 hour was trending up, right? And now we just broke structure right there. So now you wait for the retest here from resistance to continue down. This is exactly what the kind of trade I would be looking at right now. You know what? Since this area was pretty strong, right here, let's put it in another color so it's not confusing. Let's put it red. All right. I'll be waiting for this break or retest and go. Let's see here on the lower time frame, maybe 30 minute, 15 and 5. Yeah, that would be something nice here. Nice engulfing candle right there, you know. But look at how the 15 close here. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the break and retest here. Yeah, just gonna wait for the break and retest. So I'm gonna keep an eye on Euro GPY. Um, any questions? Let's go see. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. All right, so next pair, NZD CAD. Let's see. Let's go into weekly. Wow, weekly is so trending up at the moment. Holy fuck, yesterday. Whoa, okay. What about the daily? Okay. Now I would love to see a pullback, but looks like this just broke the high and looked like the daily is gonna continue up now. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like that chart, so I'm just gonna skip. When you don't force a trade, right? You just don't fuck it. Go there's other pairs. AUD GPY weekly. This is actually perfect here. Look at this. Weekly flipped bearish. All right. So weekly flip bearish. Daily is bearish. We reject an area of interest right here, which is this area. All right. Look at this area, super valid. We broke the low, come up, retest, reject. Oh, okay. Now let's take a look at possibilities. Daily's trending down, so we got weekly and daily down. That's good. This is also a daily area of interest. All right, cool, great. So let's take a look on the 4 hour now. 4 hour is trending up as we speak. Okay. I was expecting price to come inside that H4 golden zone, but we might reject the 382 level. If you look, yeah, this is a 382. So this is also an area of rejection. So that can be pretty valid. Let's take a look at the 2 hour. 2 hour is still trending up. 1 hour trending up. So I need the lower time frame to flip bearish. All right. So I need either 30-minute or 1 hour to flip bearish. Yeah, because right now this is bullish. What's up here? So this is bullish in here. Yeah. So basically I would need price to come down here, retest this area, form resistance to continue down. This is what I need now for me to take an entry. Because like that, I'm gonna have a confirmation we're continuing down. Right now, I mean, we don't know. Because we got this retest here, and yeah. Hopefully that's clear. Um, any questions, guys? Let's don't be shy. Don't be shy. Say hi. Post your question. Um, All right, so Euro GBP. Let's see weekly. Um. All right, all right. Daily. There's super clean traffic here to the left. Holy. All right, let's take a look at something here. All right, so weekly, the weekly time frame was trending up until so no, here we're still trending up. All right, cool. So this is just market share. We didn't broke that low, so we're still trending up here on the weekly time frame. Yeah, I'm very visual, guys. Sorry. All right, cool. So here we're trending down on the daily. Look like we're gonna retest this area. 4 hour, just playing around. Yeah, 4 hour is noisy. Ugh. No. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But anything under that area, though, if we have like a break and retest of, like, if we have a break and retest of this area in red, after that, look to the left. I mean, look here. We got super clean traffic, so price can melt up down to this area right there. So that can be an easy, smooth, but not easy, but a smooth trade. So you want to see a break retest under here. Yep. I would not be game to take it like right around here because I don't know, just I don't like what's going on right here in the 4 hour time frame. But again, if you look left, look how clean it is. You got this little area of problem, but the rest is super clean. Okay, so up to the next pair. I think the rest didn't look that good if I remember correctly from yesterday. Let's go take a look very quickly. So the weekly, we're still inside that golden zone. We didn't broke structure. Area of interest, weekly area of interest, nice. Yeah, AUD/USD looks good so far. Right now, AUD/USD on the daily time frame is trending up. So what I need is I need the daily time frame to flip bearish, meaning I need to break this structure right here. So yeah, definitely gonna place an alert somewhere around here. Text. I'm gonna write. Oops. Where is this alert? There we go. AUD/USD breaking daily structure. 4 hour right now. 4 hour looks. Let me remove this. 4 hour is trending down as we speak. So I just need the daily to flip bearish. That'll be perfect. Yo, GU, let's go. What's going on here? What is going on here? Is there any news? That would be great to check. Okay. Let's see here. What we got for today? Oh, we got some AUD news. But the rest seems to be, oh, this is tomorrow. Okay. All right, nothing major. Nothing major. This looked good here. This looked good. GU just flipped bullish on a 1 hour. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. We got this double bottom here. Got the retest of the neckline. So, all right, great. So we're gonna need support to be formed to take our entry. Okay, definitely keep an eye on the GU. And AUD USD was the one. All right, cool. Euro GPY seems pretty decent also. And all the rest wasn't ready. Yeah, all the rest was like kind of not so good. NZD USD. And we'll go back to GJ in a second, guys. Oh yeah, here. NZD USD is coming nice. Yeah, definitely gonna keep an eye on those. Okay. So we all right, let's go take a look at some BTC. Man, I can't wait for BTC to reach 12K. Because Phil's gonna get the tattoo of my name on his ass. Yep, this bet is still going on. Yeah, GJ, what's up, Mr. Simon? Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, buddy. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, let's go take a look at Solana. Just ranging right now. Just playing between those price. Man, I was expecting a little drop here. I want to buy some more. It is what it is. All right, let's go see GJ. Alrighty. Alrighty. This is my wrong chart here. This is my good chart. Okay. So, GJ, all right, we're breaking this area that I want to break, so that's good. That's perfect, actually. Alrighty. You guys understand why I didn't take a break here, trade here, right? Look at all those wick rejection, right? So if you take an entry here, I mean, what's the chance, the odds of getting rejected? A lot. So trading is about playing the odds, right? So, yeah. Oh, look like Joe has another chart. Joe, hopefully you guys have your marking on your chart. Hopefully. Oh, oops. What am I doing? Here we go. What? Okay. Wait a second. Let's do this. Oh, it's not working, Joe. I thought it was me, but let me try again. Don't forget, you cannot paste the link here from your chart directly. That's not gonna work. You need to go into copy link to the chart image. That's a different link. Okay. So make sure you do that first. And after that, you just select this part, right? So let me try again. but I think you went directly to your chart and you copied the link on top. That's what I think. Yeah, that's what you did. So you need to click on copy link to the chart image. That's a two different link. Um, let's see. Here, question. David, lit hoodie fam. Yeah, bro. Thanks, man. So, like I explained earlier, this is a project I'm working on. This one is Soul Dog City hoodie. This is more than a print on the on a hoodie. This is pure art reproduction, right? Look at the quality, guys. This is not like a regular screen printing. This is another technology that allows you to have like a perfect replica. We actually do Van Gogh, Monet. We do all kind of painting reproduction on T-shirts. So the colors and all the details has to be exact, right? So that's something I'm working for the some of NFT project. This one is not perfect because it's one of our first tests. Has too much red in it because we forgot to merge a layer, but it's something that's going to be very, very, very amazing. Yeah. So, yeah. Working on it. Working on it. Yeah. All right. So now let's see if GJ. You see. Look at this guy. Perfect example. Look at this wick. Rejected right around the same area. Bam. So everyone that took a trade here based on that engulfing candle, plus you're rejecting also closing right at this support. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Not a good idea, my friend. And that trade was very like to the downside is a scalp, right? It's going to be a scalp, a couple pips, and that's it. Because don't forget that the main trend is still up, right? So the weekly is trending up. But on the long run, I'm expecting price to go down here. But the thing is, you cannot trade what you expect or what you think. You need to trade what you see and what you have as a confirmation. That's two different things. That's why a lot of people lose money and make mistakes because they trade what they think that's going to happen. I hate to predict the market. I like to react and adapt to the market. So, by the way, guys, anyone looking for one of the best broker um, in the industry is right here. By the way, let me show it to you. Banner here. Boom, 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 boom. Here. Boom. Yeah, you definitely want to try Black Bull Market. The link's in the description of that video. Um, you're gonna get with that link, you're gonna get the lowest spread possible with a minimum deposit of 200, which is crazy. Usually they don't give that offer to a lot of people, but they gave me that link to advertise for them. So yeah, so definitely one of the best. And the reason why I'm pushing those, it's because I tried many brokers, and this is the one that it's so easy, and they are straightforward, and yeah. Um. Anyways, so that was just a little. Uh, where is boom? All right, cool. So now let's just gotta wait for GJ to set up. Let's take a look back to gold. The other thing I'm gonna be looking at, what time is it? 8:18. The other thing I'm gonna be looking also is for the 4-hour dogtail setup also, meaning that the next 4-hour candle, if it start, oops, if it start waking up and breaking the low, I'm gonna take it to the downside. That's the setup I took yesterday on gold that my runner went like to this area right here. This is where I closed my runner. If I'm not wrong, was it here or there? I can't even remember. I need to check my story, but what it doesn't matter. But this was the same setup. This was the dogtail setup. All right, so here on this area, it's a little bit more tricky. It's a little bit more tricky because you're right at this area. So are we going to go through it or reject it? It's kind of effy. It's kind of effy. But looks like, I mean, if this candle closed like this, I mean, no, that's gonna be a different story. But we shall see. What time is it again? Yeah, okay. We shall see. See your comments. Interact deposit. Interact deposit's perfect. Yeah, with Black Bull, if you live in Canada, you can do interact transfer, which is like email transfer money. It's so good, so fast. It's almost instant. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah. Um. Dim 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 dim. Let me do something very quickly here. Um. Oh goddamn! I need my ledger. Fuck. Whatever. Um. A lot of the project are doing good right now. So if you're into NFTs, most of them now is coming back up. I had a little dip, but yeah, most of them are doing pretty decent now these days. Like those guys from 0.3 to now 0.89, so that's good. This one was airdrop, so I am selling mine for 5 sol right now. Bet I got two that I'm trying to sell right now, probably around like 3 or 4. I sold two of my ape, kept one, so I took profit on that. Sold it for 15 and 19. Bought it for around 7, so that was pretty good. Those two guys I'm holding like crazy. I bought those at mint. I think that was like zero point 0.5 or 1 sol. Those one where I had like 4 airdrops of that one, so that's free money. So I'm holding those guys. This guy, I bought it very high. I bought it, I think, I'm very around like 6, 7. So this one I'm down. This one I got an airdrop. Thanks to them. I'm working on a merch project with them. This I got 8 airdrops, so that's free money. Those one I bought 8 around like 2, I think. So that's pretty good. And I'm receiving like weekly passive income from the casino income. Sinova bought it around like 2.7, 2.6, I think. Receiving weekly profit share also. Denver Valley Duck bought it. That's one of my first project I bought. I'm still holding 3. Bought it like around like 2, 3 sol. But back then it was super high, the price of Sol. So I'm just, holding those guys. They went down big time. They went down to 0.3 and now they're back up to 1.3. So something's cooking. Those guys, I should not follow them anymore because I've sold them all. I bought like 8 or 9 around 16 sol 0.16, and I sold all mine around like 0.4, 0.5, and one at 1.5. So that was a major win on that one. If you're looking at the RR, this one I just got one. Bought it what like 1.6, so still up. These guys, I'm a little bit down. I bought one at 1.6.9 and one at 7, but I'm not worried about those two. This one I'm down. Bought it like around like 4.5. This one's at 2.25 right now. I'm trying to sell it like at 2.50. I just want to get out. Old Paradise, I got 3. This one is up. I bought those around like 6. They went up to 13. Now they've down a little bit, and the reason why it's because they got weekly profit share also. But this one last week didn't have a profit share because they had a big winner on the casino. So I think some people got scared or whatever the fuck. So that's why our price went down a little bit, but I'm not too scared about it. As for babies, crazy man, strong floor. I have like 40 of those. Bought like around like 1 point something to 2 point something. So I got some break even there. I've got some wins in there, but I'm looking the long run for them. They're building IRL casino in El Salvador, plus online casino also. By the way, 7 minutes, guys, and we will go check at the GJ pair. Pug Digital is, we don't see any mention here, but for people that's been at least like 30 years old, you guys know about the pug. So they actually did a pug digital. Now floors at 5.7. This is sick. About those like at 1 and 1.5. So this is major win. I got like 18 of those. Plus I got some really rare one. That's worth probably around like 20 soul right now. So that's pretty good. So just doing a little breakdown of some interesting project here. Pugman is the PFP of the Pug. So those one I got like eight airdrops. I sold two at 1.2 and kept the six. This one I'm just looking at it. I don't have anyone. Soul Dog City. The houses right now is it's been constant at 0.2. I minted a lot of those. I think I got like around like 50 of those. But they were all minted with bones, which are reward when you stake your dog. So basically, those ones never cost me money. So this is free money right there. So as soon as Soul Dog City is on the move and I have a purpose for those houses, the price gonna increase. So that's gonna be good. So Soul Dogs is the same. Soul Dogs having a push right now. They went down to 0.20 something and now up to 0.73. Yesterday went at 0.85. So the team right now that's taking over, Sly, the fake ass guy hiding behind his screen, behind a PFP, shitty boy. Yeah, I have no respect for this guy. I have no respect for this guy because for me, someone hiding behind a PFP and doesn't dox as a founder, I mean, I feel like spitting in your face, dude. But it's all good. The project's solid though. I'm really happy Shelly took over and Coach B and some Pudding and some of the amazing people out there. They're working super hard. They had a lot of good ideas right now. They're running. I was also part of the council at one moment, but I went into a little argument with Sly, and that's why I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'm out. But I really encouraged them. They got it's still one of my favorite art on the Solana ecosystem. So I think they can do something very good. So I'm still holding like around like I think I got like 40, close to 50 dogs. Close to, I can't remember how many houses. I think close to 70 if I'm wrong, 50 or 70, whatever. I lost count. Sharky is amazing. Sharky is something I discovered recently. You can lend money and make money by lending money against NFT, which is pretty dope. Sorcery is one of my latest favorite pickup. The community is just so fire. The project is amazing. You can rent Airbnb, getting profit share. You got a love market, which is like kind of Amazon market, but you can buy with crypto. This is like the art is not like crazy fire. Like it's not like something I'm super passionate about. The art, they got some cool, nice little looking one, but it's the project behind. The project behind is just second to none. The team behind is just like insane. They actually have a real token with a real value. So this is very, very, very bullish. Utility ape, I just got one because I was curious about the interaction. They got profit share also, I think. I'm just, I'm not really following this one, but I know they got a good project behind. So yeah, so this is a couple of the project I'm in and looking into it. Right now I'm not looking at any much else except Toys R Us. Toys R Us, I'm probably gonna be try to grab some, but except that, I'm gonna keep my liquidity and just lend it on Sharky and make money out of it. So that's pretty much it. Sharky, I bought it like last couple of days ago. Actually, I bought it like Saturday. I bought it like at one, no, not one, sorry, but at 8.1 and 8.05, and already in profit. So that's pretty good. So, anyways, that was my little cue on NFT. Now let's go back to Forex. All right. Let's go back to Forex, baby. All right, let's go see GJ. GJ, you see GJ is pulling back up right now. So what is it? 828. Oh, hold on, wait a second. Oh shit, guys, I'm gonna have to go because I got a meeting coming up. Completely forgot about it. Oh no, it's tomorrow. Okay, we good. We good. I got scared for 1 second. I got stressed a little bit. Where am I going? this. So I can actually go to, let me send a text here. Yeah, give me one sec, guys. I just need to find something here. Where is this? Where is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, give me one sec, guys. I really need to send that message. Okay. I'm almost there, guys. Sorry. Okay. So weird. Look like oh no, not that one. God damn it. Where is it? Let me send an email. Fuck it. Man, you know when you're looking for a phone number, try to reach someone, you didn't save the phone number. It's pissed me off. Whatever. All right, so 8:30, so that 30 minute just closed. Let's see. So Gigi is still ranging right now. So I mean, there's nothing I can do. So what I'll do is I place an alert here, so at least I know what's going on, and I place an alert there. See if we breaking to the downside or to the upside, and I will react and adapt. If we do break to the upside, I'm gonna wait for a break retest above this area. You know, because we got clean traffic here to the left. That can be good. It can be a quick scalp, right? So same thing to the downside. I'm not looking at holding this for a long time. It's gonna be a quick scalp. And that's it. You know, if this 30-minute candle close nice engulfing, you know, under here, it can be great. I don't need the break and retest. Probably gonna wait for the dogtail setup, but also gonna wait for the H4 dogtail setup. Meaning like if this 4 candle close right under here, like let me delete this. Let's say this 4 candle close under here. I'm gonna wait for the nice wick up, break the low. I'm gonna enter, right? because that was going to be perfect. It's clean, you know, got nice wick fill to do, which is also going to be the pullback to the H4 golden zone somewhere around there to go back up. So that actually can be used as my target. Let me establish it. So yep. So here can be my target for profits here, you know, somewhere in this area. Because I know that price, don't forget, we know that we are trending up at the moment, right? So that can be used as a target, right? So, and if not, if this no don't happen, I'm just gonna wait for price to set up support, flip structure on a lower time frame and push back up. So any questions, guys? Let's see. Let's go take a look at gold very quickly. Gold, we are the same shitty area right now, so doesn't doesn't look nice. Any questions? Let's see. No question? All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining today. Unfortunately, we didn't have like a move live. Usually we try to catch one, but I mean, I'm not gonna chase the trade. You know, it needs to happen. At least you guys know exactly what I'm looking for. So thank you very much for being here today. We're going to be live Friday night, 6 p.m. Eastern for another Forex Talk over beer, where we break down charts, explain trades we took during the week, answer questions. So feel free to join. Make sure to subscribe and activate notifications so you'll know next time we go live. And don't forget to smash that like button, guys. All right. So hopefully, Tony. Hey, Tony. What's up, buddy? Take care. Thank you. Hopefully, see you Friday. Yes, man. Let's get back at it. All right. So, thank you so much, guys. Very appreciate all of you. Wishing you an amazing rest of the day. Take care, guys.